Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yatzii. I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an at-home spa style, like pamper yourself, and a nighttime bath routine that I do all the time because I've been really stressed out lately, and that's why I haven't been filming, because I want YouTube to be something super fun for me to do. So I'm gonna start off with something I do every time that I do this. Always have water. I love drinking a lot of water throughout the day. And some tea. I really love these teas. I got them at a store here called Herbally Grounded, and they are chakra teas. So these teas have they're infused with, what is it called? Like this one has sapphire in it, and this one has rose quartz. So it's infused with, what is it called? I forgot the name of it. If I figure out the name, I'm gonna put it down below. So yeah, I like to drink tea when I do this, and I started off by cleansing my face. This is the Clean and Clear Gentle Hydrating Daily Wash, and I use the Ocean Salt Scrub from Lush. This is a face and body scrub, and I got samples. So I've been using this Dark Angels face and body cleanser. I really like this actually, but I just don't like that it's dark. I feel like it leaves my skin a little bit weird, but it's actually kind of nice. So this is gonna be the third step. This is a facial mask. It's an exfoliator mask. It's a pumpkin peel, and I have this little pot right here. I actually boiled water and I already steamed my face. So when I do this at home, I've gotten a lot of facials, like 5-star hotels, $300 facials, $20 facials, $80 facials, $50 facials. And honestly, I feel like $80 to $120 is a fair price for a facial. Paying more than that, it's really not worth it. And especially at a professional spa, it depends. Hydrofacials are definitely worth it. Any other regular facial, unless it's a chemical peel or something like that, it's honestly not really going to be worth your money. So I'm just putting this all over my face, rubbing it in. And like I said, I already steamed my face. But if you don't have a steamer like me, I would just steam a pot of water and add some essential oil to it, or add some cinnamon like I did, and then just put your face over it. And kind of blow into the water. Make sure that it's not like obviously popping back at you. But yeah, I'm just gonna rub this in, and then I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Put this on. Just, add some water to it, or some milk if you want, or some almond milk. Put it all over your face like I did, and I like to put extra right here, like where I put extra oats around my nose and on my chin, because when it completely dries, you guys will see that it'll really extract all your blackheads, like when you peel it off and rub it off before you fully wash it off. So yeah, I just put this on, and I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll be right back. Brand new one. So yeah, we have this cute little thing. It's like a little incense holder, and I'm just gonna light this a little bit. You can literally light this and do a little ritual, and go all over your house and clear all the negative energy and clear your body of all negativity, because some people are just, they just have very heavy energy. And so when I'm doing my spa days / pampering myself, or even when I'm gonna take a bath at night, I light incense and I burn a little bit of this. Especially like this is good to do in the morning and at night. So yeah guys, tonight is gonna be a new moon. Tonight going in tomorrow, basically today at 12 a.m. and then tomorrow at 12 a.m. is gonna be a new moon. So new moons are good for like releasing. So write a little note about things you wanna let go and leave in the past. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub this off. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't even close her. when I like stretch my mouth, you can see like all the little dry patches, and this wasn't fully dry all the way. I could have left it a little bit longer, but the more you let this harden, the more it's gonna like extract from your face. So if it's like really, really hard and irritating you, obviously take it off, but however much you can handle to keep it on, I would say keep it on. So I'm just gonna wash this off. And the more you let it dry, you'll feel like it'll get really, really stuck to your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, maybe don't leave it on that long. So depending on the type of stuff I have to do on whatever day I'm doing this routine, I would either use these patches, which I'm probably gonna use today because I might do another video doing my makeup, or I would use these patches. So these are all products from the 24 karat gold line, and I actually found these at Ross. It was actually so crazy, and they're probably $20 for all of this, and these are really good products. I really, really like these, especially their serum, and it has real gold in it, so that's the cool part. So I don't know if you can tell, but these are pretty much starting to dry up, and so I'm gonna take them off. Save them for later. And yeah, actually I'm gonna save them for later because I have this extra liquid from the spa at Aria. I went and I got a massage. I got a facial and a massage, and they gave me a bunch of serum from this super cool hydro jelly mask. So I'm probably just gonna put these in there and let them soak in it. So my next step is gonna be, I would either use this Cetaphil for sensitive skin. It's a daily moisturizer, or I would use this CBD pore refining cream. I'm actually going to use both. So I'm going to put this where I have pores because I'm going to do my makeup after this. And then I'm going to use the Cetaphil for the rest of my face. And I just got this cool little thing. It's from Conair. It was probably like $10. I'm pretty sure I got it at Ross. And I shaved my face. I really like it. It makes my skin super, super just softer. It's pretty much, I forgot the name that they call it at the salons, but they'll do it for you at the salon. They'll take a little razor. Usually when you get a facial, like a hydrofacial, you can add on, dermaplaning. It's called dermaplaning. So I wanted to get one of those cool facial massagers, but I'm actually a massage therapist, so I know how to massage my face. Just go like this underneath your chin to lift it. And you'll basically always want to massage your face going upwards, especially around your eyes. Tap around your eyes, put it all over. So to use the facial razor, you obviously turn it on. And you have to hold your skin like this. So you have to stretch your skin. So as you guys can see, I have a little bit of redness here. But overall, my face is not very red. You do not want to do a lot of pressure when you use the razor, especially an electric one. You just literally want to glide it over your skin very, very softly. And you can actually do your eyebrows, but I would recommend outlining your eyebrows first and then using the razor. So now I'm going to add this serum. This is the 24 karat gold lift and firm serum, and I love it because as you can see, it has little flecks of gold in it. And I'm going to add a little bit of this serum too, just in my hand. This was the serum from the spa that they gave me, which I haven't even been using. And I'm just going to put it all over my face. I like to take my products down to my neck and onto my collarbone. And just rub it in. So usually, obviously, you would do serum first and then lotion, but on the days where you're shaving your face, never shave your face dry because it'll burn. It'll give you razor bumps and it just will not feel good at all, and it's gonna hurt you. So that's pretty much it, guys. So this is what pamper myself at home. Sometimes at nighttime I like to use this. This is a 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle cream. This is for nighttime though. This is a really heavy cream. Sometimes I use toner. And I just found these. These are the retinol correction line smoothing nighttime serum capsules, and I really love these. They're so nice, and I really do see a difference in my skin. This was 10 capsules. It was about $15 to $20. So if you want to get the bigger one, it's definitely going to be worth it. But I kind of like getting the mini stuff from Target to try out when I don't know if I want to purchase something. So that's why I got these little tiny ones. To do after my baths is to use this Elevation Relief Chronic Discomfort. This is actually an oil that I got at Herbally Grounded, or let me see. This is their website if you want to check it out, like the main wholesaler. But I just take it out of here and I rub it around your neck, and your shoulders are the places where you carry the most tension, as well as your lower back, your back in general. So I just like to rub this in and smell it. And another thing that I really like to do on these days where I'm pampering myself is to spray room spray. I have a few different ones. This is my favorite brand, and the word I was looking for earlier was crystals. These are infused with crystals, as you can see at the bottom. So you just shake them up. This is aqua quartz. These are aromatherapy room sprays. I would really recommend to get a little diffuser for aromatherapy, or you can just get room sprays if that's easier for you. But this one is balance and clarity. This one is calmness and peace. And aromatherapy is something that I really recommend and highly believe in. So like if you're studying, you want to have like lavender in your diffuser, and if you're kind of like just hanging out but you kind of, you know, have a hectic day or something, then you want to use like chamomile and stuff like that. And I think these make a really big difference when you're pampering yourself at home, and they really help you to just kind of like calm down. Everybody loves a good scent, and smelling something that smells good is always going to put you in a better mood than smelling something that smells bad, obviously. But yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, follow, share, and follow me on Instagram. I'll link all my stuff down below: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.